Aircraft Caddy. Aircraft Caddy is the latest and most innovative solution to the recurring problem of how to move the large and often unwieldy airplanes. The Aircraft Caddy uses a revolutionary new technique that greatly reduces the hassle of aircraft movement with the use of a unique, powerful, and versatile tow system, which has the capability of moving aircraft without wheel planes silently and efficiently. It can tow up to 15,000 pounds, and its small size is not a reflection of its strength, as it is every bit as powerful as its much bulkier rivals. It also offers the added advantage of being battery-operated, with a remote control option, which comes in handy when you need to make those tight turns.
Meister TC50. The Meister TC50 is a marvel of modern engineering. Designed as an autonomous prototype of a revolutionary off-road crane and transport system, the Meister is the product of years of dedicated research and meticulous construction. Its features include a remote control track chassis where you can mount your crane, rugged exteriors to handle a variety of road conditions, and a sturdy frame strong enough to support loads exceeding 50 tons. It performs all the tasks safely and with minimum stress. This unique system is based on two heavy load transport crawlers used in combination with a detachable loading crane and telescopic crane units. This combination of utility and design was acknowledged by sales manager Heiko Haas. Hence, it is extremely popular with customers and is not at all hard to see why. NOAC Flood Protection. The NOAC flood protection device provides a powerful and, above all, mobile flood barrier that can be quickly deployed at the first sign of a potential flood and then removed when the threat is passed. The NOAC is reusable, convenient to use, and is automatically anchored by the weight of the floodwater itself, which gives a lot of room for the materials used in its construction to be as lightweight as possible. The NOAC comprises of a 50-centimeter high barrier, weighs no more than 5.5 kilograms per running meter, and weighs less than 1% of sandbags with all of the efficiency. Albany Z. The Albany Z is an off-road, lightweight rear floor camper trailer, designed for people who like to travel light but still require a trailer. The Albany is designed to be sleek and effective, fully equipped with a 90-liter water tank, a 100 amp-hour battery, butterfly screw steel poles, and excellent kitchen items, such as a stainless steel gas stove with 4 burners, slide-out workbench and dry rack, and splash guards. In addition to this, the Albany Z can be towed by a variety of vehicles and comes with enough space for a full queen-sized bed and generous 50mm thick mattress, which ensures that you get a full night's sleep even on the road. As if this wasn't enough, you even get access to LED lighting, SIG sockets, and a large sink for tidying up your dishes on the road.